Hey everyone, if your Cricut Mug Press is acting weird or not heating right, don't worry, it happens to a lot of us. Most of the time, a quick reset is all it needs. And in this video, I'm gonna show you super simple steps to reset it and get everything back on track. Let's sort this out. First, you have to turn off your Cricut Mug Press. Make sure all the lights go off. Now, go ahead and unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Just pull it out gently. After that, just leave your mug press sitting at room temperature for about 3 to 4 hours. Think of it as giving the machine a little break. Then, plug the power cord back into the outlet just like before. Finally, power on your Cricut mug press normally, and that's it. Your mug press is fully reset and ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.